Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. In this video, we will cover how to find contact information and links to additional information on the Iowa Legislature website. Sometimes the best way to get information is to ask the right person. Most pages of the Iowa Legislature website include a contacts link in the black footer at the bottom of the page. Clicking on the contacts link, you can find the Capitol mailing address under the left-hand menu. This is for people who wish to visit the Capitol or to write to their legislators, as the exact street address of the Iowa Capitol can be difficult to locate. In the main section of the page, you will see a table listing legislative contacts. Each row contains contact information, listing phone numbers, email addresses, if applicable, and information provided on the website for each contact listed. You can use this table to determine whom to contact to get your questions answered. In addition to legislative contacts, the left-hand menu offers other links you can choose to view additional contact information. Clicking the Links to Legislator Web Pages link takes you to a page containing links to personally run legislator websites. All legislators have the option of posting their website links on this page. However, not all choose to do so. Click on the linked name of a legislator whose website you wish to view to be taken to their page. You will notice after you click the link that a message will pop up stating that you are leaving the state-supported website. The legislators and their staff are responsible for the content of these personal sites. Click the Click Here link to proceed to the legislator's website. Note that the personal site opens in a new tab. By clicking to close this new tab, you can return to the Iowa Legislature website. The Related Sites link takes you to a page containing links to different branches and departments within Iowa government. There are also links to the National Conference of State Legislators, the Council of State Governments, and other state legislature websites. Again, clicking on any of these links will open a new tab and display disclaimer language alerting you that you are leaving the state-supported website and that the Iowa Legislature is not responsible for the content of the page you are about to visit. You can click the Click Here link to be directed to the website you selected. I'm going to close the tab to return to the main contacts page. We see the final link in the left-hand menu, the Federal Government link, takes you to a page with links to the Iowa Members of Congress web pages, as well as links to federal government chambers and departments. As before, you will be shown a disclaimer message stating that you are leaving the state-supported website. Clicking the Click Here link will take you to the website you selected. These links are listed on the Iowa General Assembly website for convenience. This allows quick access to various content without having to search for the links on the web. Thanks for watching. Links to other videos in this series can be found in the video description.